Hey, it's Pipiads. If you want to know which products are trending on TikTok, in this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Let's take a look. Today our first winning product is Debiter Fleewing earrings. Butterfly wing earrings with quality cubic zirconia. Rhinestones sparkled in the sun, enhancing your beauty. You will fall in love with these delicate and beautiful cubic zirconia stud earrings. They are made from silver over brass. It's hyperallergenic. 100% nickel-free. 100% lead-free for any sensitive skins. The shiny stud earrings are an elegant and unique suit for birthday formal dress, dating, shopping, or dance party. The suggested selling price is £16.6 with the product costing on AliExpress $2.12, which would leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is Dissture Corrector. Wear the back straightener for 5-10 minutes per day and gradually increase the time. Within a few weeks, you will notice that you are standing taller, looking healthier, and feeling better. Featuring high-quality stitching and silky soft fabric, the back brace is breathable and durable. The proprietary design corrects your posture in a comfortable manner. You can easily wear it under your clothes and conquer your day pain-free with its full adjustability and breathability. The suggested selling price is €20 with 99 cents and the product cost on AliExpress is $4.77. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.